You're welcome back to my channel once more. This is your brother 1042. Today's news is very important because today there is one thing one pastor said concerning all those people cheating themselves, saying that they are ruling Nigerians. There's something he said about Igbo people. This video will help you to know that this is not all about tribal, where are you from, or whatsoever, however they see it. But this video will teach you a lot of lessons that it is the right time for lost youth to make the right choice. This pastor, I will always appreciate you for saying the fact. Please, my people, you need to watch this video. Please do well if you have not subscribed to my channel. So try to subscribe and put on notification so that anytime, any day, any moment I post video, you'll be notified. I will always appreciate you, all my people. I will always be with you. I will always be here to give you the gist which you're supposed to know. Thank you so much. Let's go to the video.
You will see people telling people Igbo is their problem. You see a lot of precision will tell the outside people will tell that their people Igbo is their problem. We are not your problem. If Igbo is your problem, why should we come into your own states to invest our money, born our children, and live with you, and also do all our investment in any state where we come? How can such people be your problem? People that come into all the states of this country and develop it. Lagos State today, whatever Lagos is today, made by Igbo people. Whatever Northern today, made by Igbo people. So why do you not allow these people to rule the country and change the country and develop the country and make the country what they want to be? The only person and only people that can change this country is an Igbo man. So quote me anywhere and I will give you a proof, because only Igbo man come to a desert, come to where there is no house, water fill everywhere in Lagos, you close it and build estates. Igbo people are developers and also investors. Only them can raise up this dead country. And listen to me, I love everybody. Atiku, I love you. Tinubu, I love you. But listen to me, we are talking about how to raise a dead country, and it's only people who can do that. It's high time all of us, we are fathers, and we're talking about the future of our children. If I keep quiet, I am not a man. And I speak to you, listen to me. I used to tell people, whatever Nnamdi Kanu said about this country is pure truth. Everything he said about this country, Nnamdi Kanu, is truth. There is no lie, there is no fake, there is no story. Truth is Yokuna Fofo. Since 1960, we have been in independence. Show me one thing that show we're free. Show me one thing that is making anybody happy in this country. Tell me one thing. Listen to me. Why I'm saying this. What I am seeing coming, a massive riot. A massive riot. Massive one. Listen to me. There is a hungry and angry. Hungry and angry people feel everywhere. And I see a serious damages. I pray for you all. For the evil that is coming will not be for you. When elders will not say the truth, when the consequences rise, they will face the consequences. Because you are very happy, you have cars, 24 hours with you, and you did not care. All those, listen to me, youth, this is not a time for all these bloggers that used to post, this is not a time for joke in government. Everybody must come out in a seriousness to take back the nation and also build another new generation. This is not a time to joke. All of us own this country together, and nobody have this country personal. Everybody is involved. The problem we have today, many people thought they are the owner of this country. That is the problem. And other people are listening to them, and when they have nothing to offer, the only thing they offer is their self-interest, selfishness, what they have already want. They don't have any plan for anybody. And I pray for you. I lift the voice of the Lord. I don't know who is that man that God wants to deliver. Lift up and say, Jesus.
Jesus.
Onye kere ke nwere onwe ya, onye ulisha hụrụ ụzọ